Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Italian online series.
In today's episode, we will learn about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate ownership or possession of something. They describe the relationship between a noun and the person or thing that possesses it. The Italian possessive adjectives are
mio, tuo, suo, nostro, vostro, loro, mio, tuo, suo, nostro, vostro, loro.
Let's check some phrases with the possessive adjectives.
Il mio libro. La tua macchina. Suo papà. La sua borsa. La nostra famiglia. Il vostro paese. La loro festa.
You might have noticed that in some cases, the possessive adjective changes. Unfortunately, unlike in English, Italian possessive adjectives vary depending on the plurality, singularity, and gender of the noun.
What?
But don't worry, we are here to help you. To simplify things, we'll divide the explanation into two parts. Let's start by analyzing how possessive adjectives change according to singular masculine and feminine nouns. It's quite simple. Do you remember how in episode 6 about articles we learned how to determine the masculine or feminine gender of a noun? If not, we recommend watching it before continuing with this episode. Okay, let's start with possessive adjectives for singular masculine nouns. For singular masculine nouns, the possessive adjective remains unchanged. Take the word book, for example. In Italian, book is libro. First, determine the gender of the noun, which in this case is masculine, indicated by the ending o. Second, add the appropriate article used for singular masculine nouns, which is il. Finally, add the chosen possessive adjective used for singular masculine nouns.
Il mio libro.
Examples.
Il mio libro. Il tuo libro. Il suo libro. Il nostro libro. Il vostro libro. Il loro libro.
Quite simple, right? Yay! The same rule is applied for possessive adjectives used for singular feminine nouns. However, here the possessive adjectives slightly change. Let's consider the word pen. In Italian, pen is
penna. La mia penna. La tua penna. La sua penna. La nostra penna. La vostra penna. La loro penna.
Now, let's learn the possessive adjectives used for plural feminine and masculine nouns. For this, you'll need to memorize each variation as there's no simpler explanation. Let's start with possessive adjectives for the plural masculine nouns. Let's take the same word used before as an example. Books.
I miei libri. I tuoi libri. I suoi libri. I nostri libri. I vostri libri. I loro libri.
Now, let's analyze the possessive adjectives used for plural feminine nouns. Let's take the same feminine noun as we did before.
Le mie penne. Le tue penne. Le sue penne. Le nostre penne. Le vostre penne. Le loro penne.
Good. Now let's have one more look at the chart with all the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives used for masculine singular nouns are
mio, tuo, suo, nostro, vostro, loro.
Possessive adjectives used for feminine singular nouns are
Mia, tua, sua, nostra, vostra, loro.
Possessive adjectives used for masculine plural nouns are
Miei, tuoi, suoi, nostri, vostri, loro.
Possessive adjectives used for feminine plural nouns are
Mie, tue, sue, nostre, vostre, loro.
In this second part, let's look together at all these examples to better understand the Italian possessive adjectives and their variations.
Il mio amico. La mia amica. I miei amici. Le mie amiche. Il tuo amico. La tua amica. I tuoi amici. Le tue amiche. Il suo amico. La sua amica. I suoi amici. Le sue amiche. Il nostro amico. La nostra amica. I nostri amici. Le nostre amiche. Il vostro amico. La vostra amica. I vostri amici. Le vostre amiche. Il loro amico. La loro amica. I loro amici. Le loro amiche.
Good. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blank with the correct possessive adjective to complete the phrase. Where is my pen?
Dov'è la mia penna?
Give me your book.
Dammi il tuo libro.
I saw his car.
Ho visto la sua macchina.
I like her dress.
A me piace il suo vestito.
This is our dog.
Questo è il nostro cane.
I like your family.
A me piace la vostra famiglia.
I went to their house.
Sono andato a casa loro.
Well done. Now we would like you to write some phrases in Italian below in the comment section using the possessive adjectives.
Congratulations! You have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.